First, let's do the slow version at 62 clicks. And now let's do it faster with 86 clicks. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any more of my videos that I regularly post every week. I hope to see you on my Patreon page. This is a great way to show your support. The link is down below. Thank you very much.